On February 24, Tim Cook surprised everyone with a simple post on X. There was no flashy keynote, no carefully planned media event, and no long press release explaining Apple's strategy. Instead, he delivered a short announcement that instantly caught the attention of Apple fans, industry analysts, and technology enthusiasts around the world. The message revealed that the Mac Mini would be produced in the United States for the first time later this year. Specifically, assembly will take place at Foxconn's facility in Houston, Texas, as part of Apple's massive $600 billion commitment to expanding manufacturing and investment across America. While many people viewed the announcement as another manufacturing update, it actually revealed something much bigger about Apple's long-term vision for the Mac Mini and its growing role in the company's future. For years, the Mac Mini has been considered Apple's smallest and most affordable desktop computer. It often lived in the shadow of the iMac, MacBook Pro, and Mac Studio, receiving far less attention despite offering impressive performance. However, over the last 2 years, the Mac Mini has quietly transformed from an entry-level desktop into one of the most strategically important products in Apple's lineup. Choosing the Mac Mini as the very first Mac to be assembled on American soil was not simply a symbolic manufacturing decision. It was Apple's way of signaling that this compact desktop has become a central piece of its next generation of computing, particularly in the rapidly expanding world of artificial intelligence. The most revealing part of Tim Cook's announcement was not actually about manufacturing. He also mentioned that the same Houston facility would accelerate production of Apple's AI servers. At first glance, those two announcements seemed unrelated, but together they painted a much clearer picture of Apple's priorities. By building AI infrastructure and assembling Mac Minis under the same roof, Apple effectively acknowledged that the Mac Mini has become an essential tool within its broader AI ecosystem. That connection was not accidental. It demonstrated that Apple recognizes how customers are increasingly using the Mac Mini in ways that go far beyond traditional desktop computing. Across universities, research labs, software companies, creative studios, and AI startups, developers have discovered that the Mac Mini offers an excellent balance between performance, efficiency, and cost. Instead of purchasing expensive enterprise hardware, many organizations are buying multiple Mac Minis and linking them together to run local AI models, machine learning workloads, software development environments, and inference tasks. These compact systems consume relatively little power while delivering impressive computing performance thanks to Apple's custom silicon. During an earnings call, Tim Cook confirmed that demand from AI developers had significantly exceeded Apple's own expectations. That statement highlighted how quickly the Mac Mini has become the preferred compact AI workstation for users who do not require the much more expensive Mac Studio. This growing demand also explains why Apple is investing in expanding production. The Mac Mini is no longer just a consumer desktop for students or home users. It has evolved into a flexible platform that serves developers, engineers, researchers, video editors, and businesses experimenting with artificial intelligence. By increasing domestic production, Apple can better respond to growing demand while strengthening its manufacturing footprint in the United States. Attention is now turning toward the next major hardware upgrade, the M5-powered Mac Mini. While Apple's M5 chip has already appeared in products like the iPad Pro and MacBook Air, and the M5 Pro has reached the MacBook Pro lineup, the Mac Mini remains one of the last Macs still using the M4 processor. That delay has frustrated many potential buyers who have been waiting for the newest generation of Apple Silicon before upgrading their desktop systems. The delay was not caused by engineering problems, but by a worldwide memory shortage. Strong demand from AI data centers has dramatically increased prices for DRAM and NAND memory, creating supply challenges across the technology industry. Ironically, the same explosion in AI computing that helped make the Mac Mini so popular also contributed to the supply constraints delaying its successor. Apple has had to carefully prioritize component allocation across its entire product lineup, while navigating one of the most significant memory shortages in recent history. Fortunately, multiple industry reports now suggest that the wait is almost over. Current expectations point toward an October or November 2026 launch window, with several supply chain sources leaning toward an October announcement. Recent inventory changes further support this timeline. Certain Mac Mini configurations, including higher memory models, have become increasingly difficult to find, while the original 256 GB base model has quietly disappeared from Apple's lineup. Rather than indicating weak sales, these shortages appear to suggest that Apple is clearing inventory ahead of the arrival of the M5 generation. Performance improvements are expected to be substantial. According to Apple's published figures, the M5 chip delivers dramatically higher GPU computing performance for AI workloads compared to the M4. Memory bandwidth also increases significantly, allowing data to move much faster between components. Perhaps the biggest architectural improvement is the addition of dedicated neural acceleration hardware integrated directly into every GPU core. This design allows graphics processing, machine learning, and AI inference tasks to run simultaneously instead of competing for the same resources. For developers running large language models, image generation systems, or advanced machine learning applications locally, these improvements could translate into faster responses, smoother multitasking, and the ability to handle larger AI models without moving workloads to the cloud. Users seeking even greater performance will likely choose the M5 Pro version. Built around Apple's advanced multi-die fusion architecture, the M5 Pro combines multiple chip components into a single package, capable of delivering significantly higher CPU and GPU performance. With support for substantially more processing cores, the M5 Pro should provide outstanding performance for professional video editing, software compilation, 3D rendering, scientific simulations, and advanced AI development. Instead of simply producing higher benchmark numbers, these improvements are expected to reduce waiting times during real-world workflows that professionals perform every day. Pricing, however, remains one of the biggest questions surrounding the upcoming Mac Mini. The original M4 model launched at $599, but Apple has already removed that lowest-priced configuration, effectively increasing the starting point for new buyers. Industry expectations now place the M5 Mac Mini somewhere between $699 and $799, depending on configuration. While that represents a noticeable price increase, the value proposition may improve if Apple doubles the standard storage capacity from 256 GB to 512 GB. Combined with improved AI performance, faster memory, and stronger long-term usability, the higher starting price may prove easier for customers to justify. Ultimately, the Mac Mini has evolved far beyond its reputation as Apple's smallest desktop. It now represents one of the company's most important AI computing platforms, trusted by developers, researchers, creators, and businesses around the world. With American assembly beginning in Houston, next-generation M5 processors on the horizon, and AI becoming central to Apple's future strategy, the Mac Mini is entering perhaps the most significant chapter in its history. Whether buyers choose the standard M5 or step up to the more powerful M5 Pro, the upcoming generation appears ready to redefine what Apple's smallest desktop is capable of achieving.